Hey, how you doing? Today we are going to try to get the double take mirrors put on the wife's bike, get rid of the Triumph ones. That way when she gets dropped, hopefully we don't break mirrors. Alright, stick around, stay tuned. Alright, it is my understanding that these are a left-hand thread, which means righty-loosey instead of righty-tighty. Let me go find a wrench. Alright, this is a 14 millimeter. Alright, the information I found on the internet is wrong. That is your typical right-hand thread. That is not left-hand thread like I was led to believe. So, to show you, don't believe everything you see on the internet. Uh-oh, windshield's in the way. Uh-oh, windshield's still in the way. There we go. Well, because I was led to believe the wrong thing, it came with these adapters. And if you notice, they don't start because that is a left-hand thread, but this is a standard right-hand thread. And righty-tighty, as you see, it goes in there. Give me just 1 second, I'll be right back. If you've learned anything from my channel, I pretty much don't do anything without blue Loctite. They should sponsor me. I use it so much and talk about it so much. But just a dab will do, and be careful. Do not get it on the painted surfaces. Alright, we're just going to finger tighten that for now, and you'll see why in the next video. Because then we are just going to put that on, and excuse the dust, but we're going to put that on, and then what I did on my BMW is you torque this down really good, and then I use that to tighten that. Alright, it's literally that simple. That's how you put the double take mirrors on, but we're going to check one thing before I sign off. We're going to make sure the other side is a left-hand thread also. Yeah, I said make sure it's a left-hand thread. I meant right-hand thread. I am not the sharpest pencil in the box. Well, how about that? This one is also a right-hand thread. And it clears the windshield a little bit better. So there you have it. Both sides are a standard left-hand thread. So at least on my wife's 2022 GT Pro, you can buy a normal thread. You don't need to buy the adapters like I did. If you would, give me a thumbs up if you got anything out of this. If you haven't, please hit that subscribe button down below, and come back in the next video. We'll be getting rid of these plastic pieces of junk. Alright, thanks. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.